Disclaimer. This channel is family friendly and intended for all ages. However, this episode contains occasional references to mature themes or pop culture content that may not be suitable for all viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yo, I found a batch back there. She told me where it was. It's a huge batch. You, Mr. White, didn't even cook this much. What? This is gonna last me a lifetime, yo!
If you have watched my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love to go to movie and television locations. One of the greatest experiences I've had as it related to going to movie locations is when I experienced Ferris Bueller's Day Off in Chicago, Illinois. That was a movie, but I also love television shows, and one of the shows I love is the AMC, I'm gonna say classic, Breaking Bad. You know the show Breaking Bad with Walter White and Jesse cooking up products. I was so pleased to know that Breaking Bad was actually filmed in the location that it took place in, and that is Albuquerque, New Mexico. And as I looked at the geocaching map and looked at the states and locations that had not found a geocache in, I noticed, oh no, I've never found a geocache in the state of New Mexico. So I put that all together and thought, you know what? What if I went Breaking Bad in Albuquerque, found my very first geocache in New Mexico? Wouldn't that be an epic trip? So, like a good geocacher, I did some research and I found a Breaking Bad adventure lab that goes to several of the business locations from the TV show Breaking Bad. And I also did further research and realized that there was a Breaking Bad tour that you could go on, get this, where you could experience these locations in a Winnebago van. You know, the location where they made the product. So I'm here with my youngest son on a father-son trip, and we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna complete Adventure Lab. I'm gonna get my first geocache in New Mexico, and I am going to break bad. Let's go. Souvenir earned. All right, I'm here in Old Town in Albuquerque. This is where the Breaking Bad tour actually starts, but right on the location where it starts is the most favorited geocache in Albuquerque. It is a virtual of a woman in a tree. We're actually in the RV and we're sitting in the back. I've seen Walter's shirt right in front of me, and I'm pumped.
Yeah.
We already drove by a couple locations, but I'm excited to actually experience it in the RV that produces what we call
Sorry about
the product. One of the most iconic locations. The Breaking Bad RV tour actually let us get out, and we're having breakfast burritos right here at Los Pollos Hermanos. We're having a blast. This is fantastic. Right here, this is where Walt sat and Gus sat over here. Right here, is that right?
Yep.
Right here. How does it feel, sir?
And yes,
to be sitting in Walt's seat.
Very cool.
Very cool. Are you a fan of the show?
Yes, I am.
Awesome.
Some of them.
When you're done, we might have to take your place.
Okay.
No, take your time. I love that Twisters has fully embraced Breaking Bad, and look, this is a lab cache spot, but also there is a logbook. So I for sure have to sign the logbook. Oh, look at, there's a little Heisenberg drawing right there. Logbook signed, burritos had. Very cool location. This is another stop on our epic Breaking Bad RV tour. We're at the A1 car wash. This was the car wash that Skylar and Walter purchased to launder money through. They purchased it for a lot of money.
Take a tour today.
Take a tour today.
Breaking Bad RV tour. You won't be disappointed.
No, you won't. It's also another location of the lab cache that I just answered the question for, and I'm gonna use the restroom.
This here is what we call the Crystal Palace. Now, you know who lives in the palace?
And he gave us a gift to Frank and Luigi. He gave us this bear.
How awesome is this? We are at the laundromat. We're in the basement. The lab actually is. And look, it's a real laundromat. We've got stained linens here. And this is a location for the lab cache. We're going to get access to where they actually get to go down into the basement where the special lab is. Oh my gosh, look at this. We have Howard's car from Better Call Saul. How do I know? It's a Jaguar. It's actually the one from the show, but look at that's an awesome license plate. And also over here, the actual Los Pollos Hermanos truck as well. Pretty darn cool. But they're beckoning us back to the RV.
Yo, what's up, ABQ fam? We just got off the bus tour and now they told us that the 19th and Crystal is inside the store, so we're gonna go represent. Yo, Jesse Figman's here. Who's the candy lady at?
Fun.
Yes, I am.
Good. Where are you from?
Minnesota. Oh no, ABQ, right here.
Minnesota.
505. That's what we call it.
505.
Yeah. Welcome to the Breaking Bad store. And in this store, there are so many things to buy, but there's actual scenes here. Welcome to the Los Pollos Hermanos restaurant. Can I take your order? So cool. We got the co-owner, Ed, here of the Breaking Bad store. Some wonderful art.
Yes.
Thanks so much. What an awesome store. What a great museum.
Well, thank you very much for liking the store and the museum, man. And that's
Awesome. This is amazing. What's the artist's name?
Dirtbag.
Dirtbag?
That's his screen name.
There's Dirtbag right there.
Feels very Breaking Bad.
Dirtbag, if you're watching this is an amazing piece of art. Wow, well done.
Right behind us, right there, Walter White's house. And this is the closest that we can get. Oh, look, it's Walter.
Yeah.
And this is not a location. This is not a location for the Adventure Lab. And as you can see, there's quite a fence built up. Out of respect of the homeowner, we're staying on this side of the street. But just imagine a pizza thrown on top of that garage roof.